Welcome to FactFizz with Julia YouTube channel. Ever wondered why we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This sudden movement makes your vocal cords close quickly, creating that funny hic sound. But what causes this? Eating too fast. Drinking carbonated drinks, sudden excitement or stress, a sudden change in temperature, even laughing too hard. It's your body's way of reacting to irritation in the stomach or throat. Most hiccups go away in a few minutes, but if they last more than 48 hours, it could be something serious. So, see a doctor. Thanks for watching FactFizz with Julia. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.